Hi, welcome to today's video. Have you ever seen your friend use a computer and you felt like you know nothing about computer? I understand the feeling. Seeing your friend pressing keys and things happen in the computer as if he is a robot leaves you more confused and you think computer is a hard subject. No, today I will reveal to you the secret that your friend is not telling you: keyboard shortcuts. After this video, you will have learned the 50 common keyboard shortcuts that you have not been using. But before that, hey guys, welcome to Teach Computer Academy, where we teach you computer skills the simplest and easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to improve your computer skills, you will be updated and you can start to show your computer skills to your friends. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be afraid. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. Wait, before we continue with this video, I would like to tell you guys that I post more videos about computer skills on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to become better at computer and become competent enough in today's age. I put a lot of effort in these videos to make sure that each video works as intended. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found value in this video, please consider subscribing with the notifications on. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in the next video. Peace.